Hello everybody, I'm gonna have my breakfast now, and for the breakfast I would love to keep something crunchy with little bit of sweetness in it, and I also like to have a protein and fiber rich breakfast. So what I have for my breakfast is a bowl of papaya. I hope you can see a bowl of papaya and apple. Okay, I have a papaya apple bowl, and I have also mixed some muesli for the crunch, and I have some peanut butter over that. I have added 2 teaspoons of peanut butter, which has a good amount of protein in it, and I have added a little bit of soya milk. It's within 250 ml. So this adds a great kickstart to my breakfast, and this boosts my mood also. And this has papaya. Papaya is very good for the healthy glowing skin. Apple is also good for the skin. Papaya, it's in better digestion. So I would love to keep my breakfast something like this in the early morning. And after having this, before my lunch, I also have a small amount of mid-morning snack. So it keeps me fuller till my lunch. So let me have this. And if I am hungry after this, I will have a glass of soya milk also, which has an ample amount of protein. So this basically has good amount of protein, fiber and good fats. It has low carbs. So almost everything in it. This is full of antioxidants. Papaya has vitamin A, B, C, E and K, and lots of other vitamins and minerals. So I'm going to have my breakfast now.